Today I'm going to talk about Facebook ads. Facebook ads essentially is a very powerful tool for your business to promote and get leads from Facebook. There are several questions that come up when you are trying to run a Facebook ads. A few include what is an ideal time to start and run a Facebook campaign. It really depends on the kind of campaign that you're running. But ideally, Facebook takes anywhere between a few hours to a few days to get the campaign fully in impact so people can see it. But an ideal time would be between 7 to 10 days of a campaign running to get enough data to collect how effective your campaign has been, and then you can edit that to get better results. The next question I'm going to go through is, how do you know if your Facebook ads have been effective? So one of the homeworks that you have to do even before you start your Facebook ads campaign is to ensure you have your KPIs in place, which is your key performance indicators. For a campaign where you're launching your new business, or let's say a new spa, your primary goal is to make sure that more and more people see that ad, more and more people walk into the store. Whereas for a business who's selling products online, their goal or their KPI is primarily going to be increase in sales numbers, increase in product recognition, brand recognition. Those are the key performance indicators. Sit down, create your key performance indicators, and then based on that, start analyzing and looking at how effective your campaign has been. You can use tools like Facebook reports, you can use Google Analytics to see how each of these KPIs are being met. How do you improve your Facebook ads? You have a Facebook ads campaign running, but you're not yielding the results that you're looking for. There are several things that you need to look at. You need to try and look at your ad copy, how it's designed. You need to ensure you have proper call to actions on each of your ads. You need to ensure that the landing page is designed correctly to ensure that people that are being directed from Facebook onto your landing pages have enough options to get in touch with you. You also need to go into your Facebook ads and to try and refine your audience to make sure you're reaching out to the right audience. What I've done is I've written a detailed blog about this onto my website, which shows you how to set up an optimal campaign for your business, how to create Facebook ads which yield high results. I have been using this methodology from last 10 years to drive extended amount of sales to my customers, and this has really worked for me. So go onto my website, read through this blog. As always, share and comment and let me know if you have any more ideas. Talk to you soon. Thanks.